This is my 1991 Honda CT70. I just installed a Piranha 125 engine. Pretty much bolted right in. The only things I had to modify, I had to get the wider foot pegs. Had to relocate the rear brake pedal spring. I had to drill another hole just a little bit towards the back as it was rubbing against the case and hitting against the case. That was no big issue. I've got the stock exhaust on for right now. Just had to make a little bracket and just had to notch it out a little bit here to clear the original bolt, acorn bolt here. Not a big issue. This is a 91, so it was already a CDI engine. I took out the stock flywheel and stator plate and replaced it with the original Honda one. They're interchangeable, and just plugged the electrics in. Didn't have to modify any of the wiring or anything. And yeah, it's pretty cool. Definitely a lot more power. Seems to be pretty well made. Time will tell. But it shifts good, starts right up. This is also a 4-speed manual, so I had to add the clutch lever and a clutch cable. No issues there. The only thing is the original engine is a 3-speed automatic, and first couple rides I took I forgot to pull in the clutch, shifting gears. Something I'm going to have to get used to. But other than that, really happy with the way it turned out.